For number 11, we're going to graph this logarithm. And so in order to graph this, the parent table needs to be created. And a simple way to make the parent table is to use the inverse of the log, and that's the exponential. X equals 3 to the y. So in this case, we're going to be inputting the y values and finding the corresponding x values. And so here we can use -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And you can always use these numbers. They will always produce nice points on our graph. So we'll plug these into the parent here. And that's going to give us a 9th, a 3rd, 1, 3, 9. And then we can transform it. So our transformation here is xy transforms into x plus 1, y minus 1. So this here is the x plus 1, and this here is the minus 1 for the y. So the table that we'll graph will be 1 and a 9th, 1 and a 3rd, 2, 4, 10, and the y values would be -3, -2, -1, 0, and 1. Now, knowing that a logarithm has a vertical asymptote, the parent asymptote is at 0. Well, this one shifted right 1. So right away I can draw the x equals 1 asymptote. And then I can draw the points. So 1 and a 9th down 3, 1 and a 3rd down 2, 2 down 1, 4, 0, and 10, 1. And then we'll draw our graph to fill our whole graph. So it goes down forever, and it would continue slowly up and to the right forever. The domain of this would be +1 to infinity, and the range would be all real numbers. Okay, for number 12, same deal. If we're going to graph log base 2 of x plus 6 minus 3, we're going to look at the exponential x equals 2 to the y, 2 because it's base 2 now. So as always, we're going to start with the nice y values. So 2 to the -2 is a 4th, a 1/2, 1, 2, 4. And then for our transformations, every xy will become x minus 6, y minus 3. So our final table, we just subtract 6 from all these. So -5 3/4, -5 1/2, -5, -4, -2. And our y's, we're going down 3. So -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So here, again, the asymptote started at 0, but we are going left 6. So x equals -6 is going to be the asymptote. Now we can plot our points. It should be something like here, 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 here. So the domain here would be -6 to infinity, and the range would be all real numbers.